Today, you will learn how to insert footnotes in Word document with numbers in the easiest possible way. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Microsoft Word document and click anywhere in the text where you want the footnote number to appear. You'll notice a blinking cursor in the document. This cursor position is very important because Word will place the footnote exactly where your cursor is located. Usually, footnotes are added after a sentence, quote, or important statement where you want to provide extra information or a source reference. Now, go to the top toolbar and click on the References tab. Inside the References tab, look for the Insert Footnote button. Once you click it, Microsoft Word will automatically insert a small superscript number in your document text. At the same time, Word will jump to the bottom of the page and create a footnote area where you can type your note. You'll also see the same number at the bottom of the page. This helps connect the note with the exact place in the document where the reference was added. Now, simply type your footnote text at the bottom of the page. This can be a source reference, explanation, comment, translation, website link, citation, or any extra information you want readers to see. That's literally all you need to do to create a footnote in Word. It's very simple once you understand how it works. If you want to add more footnotes, repeat the same steps again. Place the cursor where you want the next footnote, click References, and then click Insert Footnote. Word will automatically continue numbering your footnotes in order, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. You do not need to type the numbers manually because Microsoft Word handles the numbering automatically for you. One really helpful thing about footnotes is that if you later insert a new footnote somewhere in the middle of the document, Word will automatically renumber all the footnotes correctly. For example, if you already have footnotes 1, 2, and 3, and then you insert another footnote before number 2, Word will instantly rearrange the numbering for the entire document. This saves a huge amount of time and prevents mistakes. Another useful feature is the Footnote Preview pop-up. When you move your mouse over a footnote number in the main document text, Word shows a small pop-up preview of the footnote content. This means you can quickly read the footnote without scrolling to the bottom of the page. This feature is very useful when working with long documents or research papers. Now let's look at how to move between footnotes easily. In the References tab, you'll find the Next Footnote button. Clicking it will jump directly to the next footnote in your document. If you click the small drop-down arrow beside it, you can also choose Previous Footnote to move backward through your notes. This is extremely useful when editing large documents with many references. Now let's customize footnotes in Microsoft Word. Go to the References tab again and look carefully at the Footnotes section. You'll see a tiny small arrow in the corner of that section. Click this arrow to open the Footnote and Endnotes settings panel. This panel gives you many powerful options to customize how footnotes look and behave in your document. The first option is Location. Here you can decide where footnotes should appear. By default, they appear at the bottom of the page, which is the most common style. But you can also choose Below Text if you want the footnotes to appear directly after your document text instead of sticking to the bottom edge of the page. You'll also notice options related to endnotes. Footnotes appear at the bottom of each page, while endnotes appear at the end of the document or section. Microsoft Word allows you to convert footnotes into endnotes and endnotes back into footnotes whenever you want. This is especially useful for academic writing and professional reports. Another important setting is footnote layout. Here you can choose how footnotes are arranged. For example, you can display footnotes in multiple columns if you want a different layout style. This can help make footnotes look cleaner in certain document designs. Now let's talk about formatting footnote numbers. In the Format section, you can change the numbering style. By default, Word uses regular numbers like 1, 2, and 3, but you can change them to Roman numerals, letters, symbols, or even custom marks. This is useful if your school, office, or publisher requires a special format. You can also choose how numbering works. Continuous numbering means Word keeps counting footnotes throughout the whole document. Another option allows numbering to restart on each page or each section. For example, every page can start again from footnote number 1 if you prefer. At the bottom of the Settings panel, you can choose whether these changes apply to the entire document or only to the current section. After making your changes, click the Apply button to save everything. Now let's make footnotes look cleaner and more professional by formatting them properly. A very good method is to modify the built-in footnote text style in Word. First, click inside any footnote in your document. Then press Ctrl-A while your cursor is inside the footnote section. This selects all footnotes in the document. Next, go to the Home tab and look for the Style section. Click the small arrow to open more style options. You may not immediately see the footnote text style because it's hidden by default. Click the Style Inspector icon to open Advanced Style Settings. Once the Style Inspector panel appears, click inside the Paragraph Formatting area and choose Modify. Now the Modify Style window will appear. Here, you can completely customize the appearance of your footnotes. You can change the font size, font style, spacing, alignment, color, or any other formatting option. After clicking OK, all your footnotes in the document will instantly update with the new style. This is much faster than formatting each footnote manually. Now let's customize the line that separates footnotes from the main document text. By default, Word places a horizontal separator line above footnotes. If you want, you can edit this line or remove it completely. To do this, go to the View tab and switch to Draft View. After that, click the References tab and then click Show Notes. A Notes panel will appear at the bottom of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Footnote Separator. Now you can edit the separator just like normal text. You can delete it, make it thicker, add symbols, or even replace it with custom text if you want a different style. Once you finish editing the separator, go back to the View tab and select Print Layout to return to the normal document view. This lets you see how your document will actually look when printed. If this video helped you learn something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.